Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can add your secondary YouTube channel to your primary YouTube channel. When someone comes to your YouTube channel, then they will also see your secondary YouTube channel, and you can also boost a subscriber for your second YouTube channel as well. And that is quite simple. We are just going to start that video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, you should just subscribe their channel, and let's go start this video. Here is my YouTube channel, and it is my one channel, and I just when someone just come into that channel, you will see that here is a subscribe new channel which I have, my next channel, which you are going to see that here, and it is different from that one. For example, you will see different videos from here, and if you want to add, for example, your one channel to another channel in your main channel, then it will be like you are going to add that one easily. For example, when you are going to add that one, you should come in your profile, like you have click on that one, and you have your channel, you should click in that one. Okay, then you will get like two button here. Remember that you should be login in your YouTube channel, and once you find out that customize channels, then you should click on that one. And when you are going to click on these editing part, then you will see like okay, we can edit now each and everything. Like I have that little like pencil icon which I'm going to edit. For example, add new video here. Therefore you should come here in downward, you will get add a new section. You should select that one, and here you have content, and in content you are just going to, and we will see like custom grouping, or maybe I will come here like custom grouping and add channel here. Okay, and we have to give a title for that one. For example, subscribe my new channel. Then you are going to put the URL here. For example, if you come here, you have your URL of your channel, like till to here, and for example, I'm going to copy that all. When if you have like custom URL as well, then you can directly put that one. Now I will just put enter channel username or URL. It is better to put the URL. Then you are going to add it here. Now you can see we have added that one, and now we can just press done, and now done here, and now everything is completely fine. And once I come here like view yourself or returning subscriber, and I will just click on returning subscriber, like someone come in my channel, and here I have already placed that one, and in bottom I have added one more, like subscribe my new channel. And it is quite amazing if someone come here and just subscribe my new channel as well. And that is one of simple and easy method if you are going to boost your new channel with your old channel, and you want those subscribers which are in your old channel, and also subscribe your new channel. You can just add that in your primary channel, and it will work completely fine. I hope you like that video. If you like that video, just thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed here, just subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. It's me Jamshed Raza